Hello, this is Federico from Garza Web Design, and today I would like to show the folks over at Richmond Office Interiors how to upload furniture into their inventory. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I'm already logged in. You'll need to log in order to do this, obviously, and we'll go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find my pictures that I took earlier on just on a phone. And let's see, Richmond Office Interiors. Okay, so here we are. Here are the images I've got. So here are some of the images that I took. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of a particular shelf or cabinet. I have 1, 2, 2 of a cubicle. I have 3 of a task chair, and then I've got more of that task chair. So I've got a whole bunch of the task chair. Anyway, let's go ahead and do the task chair. So what I'm going to do here is, first thing I'm going to do after I've logged in and brought up my pictures, I'm going to go to tinypng.com. And I am going to take all the task chair ones and I am going to drag these up there. And what it's doing is it's compressing the file size without damaging the file quality or the image quality. So the very first one is a 1.2 megabyte file, and it drops it down to 286 kilobytes. So it's pretty much shaved off a whole meg almost off just a single file. So this will help the website load up faster, and it'll take less space on the hard drive. All right. And we're almost done here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and download. Actually, I'm going to download these one at a time. Unless you have unzipped software that you can use to unzip the file, then download all is not going to be very useful. So let's go ahead and just download. Save as. Hold on, let me find Richmond Office Interiors. Okay, so I've got, here we are, inventory for training video. I'm going to create a new folder in here and just say web optimized. You can name it anything you want. And then this is the same thing. Now I have my browser set up so that it always asks me where I want to download these, but your browser may just download to your download folder. If that's the case, then you can just grab them up, pick them up out of there, and place them anywhere you want on your hard drive. And I've got the last one here. And there we are. So that's it. So that's tinypng.com. And now we are ready to take these web optimized ones and upload them to the website. So to do this, we're going to add content, and we're going to add a product item. So you hover over content, add content, click product item. Here we are. And the title is going to be I don't know what you want to call this. You folks over there would know better than I would, but we're going to call this just a task chair. Black task chair. And here, the department, you can select whatever you want here. It's going to go under chairs, obviously. And then here comes another thing that pops up, and I'm going to put task chair. It could be an executive chair. I'm probably wrong here, but we can fix that later on. Is it a new or used item? I think it's new. And let's say that we have four of those in inventory, and the price is going to be, I don't know, $95. So let's go ahead and choose the files. Clients. Inventory for training video, web optimized. And I'm going to go ahead and hit shift and see if we can upload all these. So I'm going to click the shift key on my keyboard and to select all of them, and I'm just going to hit open. And that way it should just upload all of them all at one time. Now the upload time depends on your internet connection speed. I'm here at my home office, and so my internet connection speed is quite slow compared to our downtown office. So, but it was okay. So this one is going to be alternative text is important for search engine optimization. So I'm going to go task chair 1. And we're just going to paste that, task chair 3. It's important that you have unique alternative tags here. Google will see these tags since Google's not smart enough yet to be able to look at an image and tell you what it's all about. Actually, you know what, I'm going to put a close look at the leather grain. I'm going to put armchair, armchair. View, maybe a little bit more. Stand away view of chair. I'm going to try to keep chair in here as much as I can. And here's a close-up of the leather grain of chair. Task chair. Straight shot. Task chair angled shot. Here we go. All right. Task chair side shot. All right, and actually for the body, let's not put anything in the body right now. We're not going to worry about this stuff right now. Focus keyword, all this stuff, we'll just let the website do what it does. And let's hit save and see what happens. And there we are. So we've got a task chair. Here are the shots. Now my pictures are not very good, but that's okay. I'm sure you'll be able to take better pictures than me. Oh, it's real leather, $3.95. So I already see an issue here. So in the alternative tags, the reason why I put such, took some time to put a good description here is that it shows up here. So a close look at the leather grain. Here's a side shot. And so it just makes sense to the folks that are seeing the chair on the website. So it's $3.95. Okay, $3.95. So I'm going to go in there. I'm sorry, my phone is blowing up here. So I'm going to go in here, and to edit this, you're just going to hover over it and a pencil icon appears. I'm going to hit edit. And I'm going to change this to $3.95. I'm going to go back down and hit save. And so that's how you change the price. And so if you click here, there it is. And you can just arrow with your keyboard, or you can arrow with this, or you can just click the picture and it'll arrow as well. To close it out, you can either click the black part or the X. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me, and we will we'll help you as we can. Thank you very much. Again, this is Federico with Garza Web Design. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you have a great day.